Yo guys, it is Maddox Hans, and today we have the new for Costco 2024 Rattles. Okay, so one thing about this guy is that Party City and other retailers have been making Rattles Groundbreakers, if that makes any sense. It's big skeletons that are coming out of the ground, basically. I know Party City was selling one, Tractor Supply, Joann Fabrics, but other than that, so I'm so lucky I got my hands on this guy. If you guys are following me on Instagram, I always post on there. I'll put my Instagram down in the link below. But yes, I am so glad that I snagged one of these. I had them hold it in the store for me, so I made sure I got one because, like I said, I love the Party City Groundbreaker, but yet again, that those are never in stock where I'm at. Never, ever. But other than that, let's go straight to the unboxing. So, first step, we have some, I think these are like poles to hold them down, like there's some stakes you can put in, so there's a box, and it comes with his batteries. So that's that. Next up, we have his humongous head. I think this is the biggest head I've ever unboxed, ever. Let's take it out of the packaging real quick. And look at this, you guys. Make sure you guys can see it, but wow, that is absolutely insane. He is huge. Another reason why I bought this Rattles instead of any other Rattles is that his paint job is very, very good, and that's the slack that's usually in other Groundbreakers is the paint job. They usually never paint it that good, and nobody ever likes it. Next step, or next piece I should say, we have his, I think this is his right arm. I'm pretty positive. Right arm. It's just a blow molded skeleton bone. So there's his arm right there. Next up, we have the huge piece. We have his huge rib cage, and wow. Wow, you guys. We'll get to that in a minute. Next piece, we have one of his hands. Humongous hands. Let's get a close-up of this paint job. I mean, it's okay. It could definitely be a little bit better on his hands, but at least it's better than Party City, and that's pretty good to me. So there's one of his hands right here. Humongous, absolutely humongous. Next up, we got another one of his arms. This is his right arm, I'm pretty positive. It's another blow molded skeleton piece right here. And I think this is it. I'm not quite sure. It looks like there's stuff inside this box. I'm not quite sure if there's poles and stakes. I'll have to open that up in a minute. But finally, the biggest piece is his other hand. So that is every single piece here. Well, I'll show you guys this one real quick as well. It's the same thing, but that's his other hand. So let me show you guys this rib cage. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this box out the way, put all the trash in there, and I'll show you guys the rib cage. Okay, you guys, I am back, and here is his humongous rib cage, you guys. It is absolutely massive. I think even if I sat on him, yeah, literally nothing. This thing is made out of a really good hard plastic. It's not breaking. But yes, that is very, very good. Another piece I forgot is his neck piece. It was in that long box that I didn't open, but yes, here is his neck piece. Again, pretty good paint job. But yes, so that is all the pieces outside of the box. Let's go straight to the setup. Okay guys, so first step, you're going to attach his left arm, and you're just going to put it in there, and you're going to twist it basically, just like that. Pretty simple. Next step, you are going to attach his other humongous arm on this side, and you just put it in here just like that. Pretty simple. Next step, I did notice is that my plastic has some deformity right there that I'm probably gonna have to remove. But yeah, so let me go remove this, try to remove this with some pliers or whatever, and then we will be right back to continue that setup. Okay, you guys, so I did cut down the plastic, and now all you gotta do is basically push it in as much as you can and twist. There we go. Okay, so we're almost done. So you get that arm on, then you're gonna take the other arm, and you're just gonna place it basically wherever you like. I think that's pretty good. I don't know if you guys can even see this. Back up the camera a little bit so you guys can kind of see. Next step, we're actually bringing it back pretty close, because now we are going to grab his neck piece right here, and you're gonna want to set it right down in there and twist it just like that. Pretty simple. Then you're gonna take your humongous head and you're gonna do absolutely the exact same thing. Okay, you guys, so the sun is quickly setting, very, very quick. I did get his head on, so here is the final product. Number one, what do I think? So I absolutely love this guy. He's awesome. I love the painted ribs. That is not like the Costco version or any other version that they have. That is this well done for sure. I love his head sculpt, very, very cool. He can do a little bit more detail around his teeth, but that's pretty easy. I love his hands. It's an amazing prop. They definitely did a really good job with this guy. But yes, so now let's put some batteries in the back of his head and let's go straight to the demo. Here we go. Okay, so there was the first demo. But yeah, so here he was, you guys. Rattles the Groundbreaker. Let's see if we can get another one. There was kind of a nighttime one. Let's get the nighttime with no sound. So there he was. I mean, he's pretty freaking cool. He really is. He's giant. I absolutely love him. But yeah, so there he was, you guys. The Rattles the Groundbreaker Skeleton. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. He was a lot of fun putting together on camera, outside for sure. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.